see you there. Okay, so you're here. You're here. Fantastic, fantastic. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Mommy and Zan. Today, you've guessed it. Yes, yes, yes. Another unboxing. I have a massive, big old box here. Can you see this? Plus, I have. Oh, I think I broke something there. Because I have this other massive, big old box here. So it's two things. Let's see what's in there. Oh, yeah, but guess what? If you've not subscribed to us yet, subscribe and like. Put that notification button on all so you don't miss out on all the great stuff we have planned for you. If you are a frequent flyer, mean that you're family and you're always here, thank you so much for being here. Thank you. You are so appreciated. Thank you so much. So, let's do this. Let's get unboxing. Oh, yeah, so crazy stuff. I cannot find my scissors, so I have a massive knife. Yes, I have a massive knife. So only to open the boxes. So let me start with this massive box here. We're gonna cut that open. Woo! Love that sound. Woo! Oh, it's pretty light, isn't it? It's just big, but it's quite light. Woo! Hey, 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 hey. Oh, so it's wrapped. So as usual, Amazon addict, I'm sorry, guys. I need help. So this is wrapped really nicely. Woo! I think that's the base of it. Yes. Lovely. That's the base. Oh, sweet. That's our base. And as usual, I will be putting the descriptions. Not the description, sorry. I think this unboxing is getting to my head. I will be putting the links down in the description. Yeah? Let's see this. Might need a bit more stuff to open that one. Okay. Ooh. I see you. Whoa. Yes. It feels so good. I've been wanting to take this out like for ages, but I thought I wanted to do it with you guys because you guys mean so much to me. I wanted to totally do it, to do an unboxing with you guys because it's so much fun to unbox stuff, isn't it? I love unboxing stuff. So let's see what. Ooh, that's nice. So good. Oh, there's stuff in here. So this is wrapped really nicely. Really nicely. And that's another massive bit here. Ooh. Cool. I don't know if I can put it together myself, but we will see. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, so nice. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Yes, you guessed it. Because I love my kickboxing. I will be doing a series of kickboxing videos, and this is my gift to myself because I love kickboxing. You guys know I do work out 5 days a week, so I'm gonna be testing this baby out, and I will let you know how it goes. Okay. So we have 3 parts. I don't see anything else in there, so I'm presuming it goes together. Oh wait. You have some clips. Oh, I know. Look at this. All of that. So it all goes together. I think I'm meant to pin it in there. I will be reading the instructions and letting you know how I get on. Whoops! I'm rubbish. I'm total rubbish at putting stuff together. I am reading the instructions. Let's see how I get on. They want me to put these suction underneath the... Here. I'm going to put these suction on. That's supposed to do. Just screw these on. Whoop. Awesome. That's one. This is meant to be tighter, isn't it? It's meant to hold on to it. I've never done this before, so I don't know if it's meant to, because that's massive. So this is the bit that should actually fit on there to, but it's not holding it. Okay, okay, I see you. Whew. So it's these ones here. I'm meant to tighten them up. I'm just gonna try with my fingers to just do it. Yes, should be fine. Just tighten it up a bit. That's where this little bit here. Oh, you either put the water, you put sand or water in the base of it, so when you kick it, it doesn't topple over, it doesn't fall over. So I want to get some sand. I do not have any sand, but I might use water for the time being. Oh, I was doing it the wrong way. Oh, I got it. This is hard work. Not used to hard work like this. Was I doing it the right way? I don't know. I don't know. But I think that's us. Yes. Yes. I think these need to just tighten up a bit more. Yes. I think that's it. I think I've done nearly everything they've asked. This is not so light actually. Hey. So I did it on my own. I put it together. The suction is on it. The screws are on it. It was pretty easy to put together. I never put these things together on my own. I normally get the hubby to do it, but I'm so happy. I did it on my own. I did it. So now, this is my new toy. Ooh, my new toy. Hey. So, time to get a punching.